everybody, I'm Donna the Billionaire and welcome to Stretch the Money Startup Consulting. For anyone who does not know me, I am a business consultant and I also have 2 channels monetized already. So this channel is to strictly teach you how to get money. That is what I do on a daily basis. I teach entrepreneurs how to make money, okay? And so I hope that you learn something from this channel that will change your life or help you grow your business, okay? So today we are talking about how to get paid with your YouTube Media Kit. Okay, for you guys who don't know what your Media Kit is, if you go into your YouTube studio, you will be able to find your Media Kit. Your Media Kit is, you can download it. It's just a PDF of your analytics, just telling like how many subscribers you have, how many people you reach, how many views your channels get, your channel gets, and everything like that. So the way that I use my Media Kit, I download it and I create proposals. And what I do is I pitch my proposals to brands and other businesses, because if they want promotion, I can show them how many people that I reach. And so this is like your, of course it's your analytics, but this is like your YouTube, resume, your YouTube resume. So if you go into your studio, your YouTube studio, and you can see like it tells like, okay, for this month you reached this many people, for the year you reached this many people, your Media Kit will have all of that information. And if you don't know, brands are always looking to promote their business organically, and the best way to do that is to get a trusted source, you and me, who already has an audience, and your audience trusts you. They trust your judgment. Without you, they would have to like research different brands. They probably spend a lot of money on brands that they don't like, which means they are wasting money. But if they see you using something and you like it, you love it, and you tell them about it, they are more likely to shop with that brand because they trust you, and they would rather go with a brand that is already trusted than to go have to waste money on brands that they are not even sure if they are of good quality or whatever the case is. So your YouTube Media Kit is just another way for you to get paid off of YouTube. In our last video, we talked about getting paid from YouTube AdSense, and so this is about your Media Kit. So go in your back office and find your Media Kit. And if you guys want me to, if for some reason you don't know how to find it, you want me to do that in another video, make sure you leave a comment here below. And also, I have a ebook on how, it's called YouTube Money. And so it's just all of the different ways that I get paid off YouTube. I'm going to link that ebook down below this video, and it should help you get started. If for any reason after you get the ebook you still need help, you can reach out to me. All of my contact information will be below this video, and I will be able to, we can set up a consultation or something like that, and I can help you with your channel. Again, I have 2 channels monetized, and so this is another channel of mine. I'm not going to say third because I have many channels. So I wish you all well with your YouTube channel. The purpose of me telling you this is because you don't have to sit around and wait on brands to come to you. If you are doing good with your channel, if you have an active audience, you can print out these analytics from your channel and you can start to shop brands, and you can send them emails or reach out to them and say, hey, this is how many people that I reach on a daily, monthly, yearly basis, and this is how much I charge for promotion. And it's up to them if they want to use you as an influencer for their brand or not. It's also something in our back office. It's called Brand Connect. I would talk about that in another video, but that is when like brands can reach out to you and stuff like that. However, if you use your Media Kit, you can start reaching out to them. You don't have to sit around and wait on someone to choose you. Put yourself out there is what I teach my mentees all the time. So I wish you the best with landing your first brand deal. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell. Anything that you want me to speak about, make sure that you put it in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video.